Hello, all you folks out there. Today I got the Rooster Tail from Yakima bait, I believe. And this one is a quarter ounce. And I got this one because I have a 8 pound line and I've been trying to use a smaller spinner and I'm not getting the distance that I want. I'm going to be rigging it up to this Eagle Claw pocket. Well, let's get this out the package. All right, that is on there good. Oh, I can already feel a little bit of weight on it compared to the first one. I think it was like a 116 or something like that. Oh, yeah. That feels good. Getting some distance. Well, I've been here for a while, and of course, I wanted to have my first video testing it out, catching a fish and all that, but that's not how it works in the real world. So I'm going to call it quits and then do another video somewhere else. And eventually, I'm going to catch a fish with this thing. I'm very confident. So if you're interested in that, just stay tuned.